This guy that I'm seeing invited me over to his house, and when he picked me up, he had his kid in the back. So right off the bat, the fact that the kid is here is throwing me for a loop. I thought we were going to go on a date, but I've decided to keep an open mindset because he did pick me up in a Mercedes. Anyways, he said he forgot something, so he brought me to his house. And I don't know about you, but it's a major red flag that this guy's house is an absolute pigsty. There are animals everywhere and fur and food and toys. And yeah, I find him super attractive, but God, his house is messy. He bought a second Mercedes in his kitchen, so maybe I should help him clean up. He seems overwhelmed.
Don't ever go to some man's house and clean up. That is super de-duper pick-me-sha, okay? That is disgusting.
I'm not trying to be a pick-me-sha today. At this point, I'm starting to wonder if he's even going to take me on a date at all. The fact that this guy picked me up with his baby in the car is one thing, but it's another thing completely to basically ignore me the whole time. I will admit I was initially frustrated, but they do seem to be having a lot of fun and it's kind of cute. Maybe he's constantly playing with this baby and that's why he has a messy house.
No, I don't want you to clean pick-me-sha. No, stop. You're not going to be my wife. I'm not going to make you my long-term girlfriend. You could try to clean and cook your way over here, but now you're just looking real desperate.
Shara talked some good sense into me and I decided to focus on myself. He has a messy but a big house and 2 Mercedes. Do you think I should see baby guy again, or is he a dusty?